Hello to Polio24. This is the all-new Red Star Classic Seagull 1963 chronograph, 40 millimeters. We discovered this new model on the Hong Kong Watch Fair 2023 in September, and now they just arrived in Munich and are ready for delivery. They have the column wheel Seagull ST19 movement with swan neck, fine regulation. Here is the column wheel. They have a sapphire crystal back and an anti-reflection sapphire crystal. And they are available in steel with cream dial. Here you can see the column wheel. And the second edition is the black stainless steel with white dial. And certainly the red star at position 12. They have 40 millimeter diameter and 20 millimeter bandwidth. So we are happy to have these new Seagull 1963 watches now available at Polio24.